Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So actually, first of all, I will show you how to change the aspect ratio, and then I will show you the second way to do it, which is a little bit more complicated, but it is also connected with the photo size. So first of all, let's open the camera app, so let's tap on it and make sure that you're on a photo mode. Now we have to take a look at this option bar right here, and on the second position we've got the ratio option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got four different options to choose from. Now we've got 4:3 option applied, and we can say it because it is highlighted, but we can also choose the 16:9, 1:1 and full option. Now let's take a look at the camera. It has got a rectangular shape, and after choosing another ratio, for example 16:9, by tapping on it, you can see that the camera still has rectangular shape, but it has been a little bit elongated. Let me choose another option, so let's tap on it and choose, for example, 1:1. Let's tap on it, and as you can see the camera has changed, and from now on is, let's say, a square. Let's tap on the ratio again and check the full option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see the camera has been elongated to the full screen. So actually this is how to change the aspect ratio in this device, and now let me show you the second way to do it, and as I said, it is also connected to the photo size. So all you have to do right now is simply tap on the settings, which are in the left upper corner, so let's do it. And on the very first position we've got the photo size, so let's enter. And as you can see here we've got, let's say, the same options which we had in the aspect ratio. So here we've got 4:3, 16:9, full vision and 1:1, but all of them are divided into two different options. So for example, if you would like to set 16:9, then you will have to decide if you'd like to use the 9.7 megapixels or 3.7 megapixels. So this is the difference between those options. So let me pick, for example, maybe 1:1 and 9.7 megapixels. Let's tap on it. As you can see, it immediately changes, so we can go back to the camera, and as you can see the look of the camera has changed. Now it is square, and as you can see the ratio here has changed also according to our choice. So actually that's all. This is how to change the aspect ratio and photo size in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.